Hello guys, greetings and welcome to my channel. It's your boy Martin aka Metpreneur, and today in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to generate free dummy text and Lorem Ipsum text using a free online dummy text generator tool. But before we proceed to the business of the day, if you're just watching my video for the first time, checking out any of my content or visiting my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also tap this bell notification icon right here so you don't miss out whenever I publish new videos or give out free stuff to my subscribers. And just so you know, I usually give out a lot of free stuff to my subscribers to help them succeed online, free ebooks, free courses to ensure you don't miss out on this. Show some love. Hit the subscribe button and tap the bell notification icon right here. So without wasting much time, let's just get straight to the business of it. Then, like I said, today I'll be showing you how to generate dummy text in Lorem Ipsum text using a free online dummy text generator tool. So let's just head straight and get to business. So to do this, you need to use, we're going to be using a free online tools platform known as freetools.com. You just type it in your browser right here and you click on enter. And once you've done that, you have to come to the search bar right here, and you're going to search for dummy text. Or let's say Lorem Ipsum generator. It has to be Lorem Ipsum generator. So you click on Lorem Ipsum generator and wait for it to load up. So once it is loaded up, you need to scroll down, and the options here, you select how many paragraphs you want the Lorem Ipsum. If you want to generate just paragraphs, sentences, and words. Okay, so I wanted to generate paragraphs for me, and I'll just select the limit, 5, 4, or depending on how many paragraphs you want it. So I'll just select that. Let me go for 3 this time and click on generate Lorem Ipsum text. And awesome. So the Lorem Ipsum generator on FreeTools Hub has done its magic. And as you can see, it has generated 3 solid paragraphs of Lorem Ipsum text for us. So I can also go back, if this is old, and I just copy this and paste it to my website or my text file and stuff like that. But if I want to generate something new, I click on new and it's going to lead me back. And if I want to generate just words only, so I'm going to come here and I'll select if it's sentences, and let's say I want to generate just 3 sentences, and I click on generate Lorem Ipsum. It's going to perform the magic. So I have right here 3 sentences of Lorem Ipsum. And if I want to generate just random words only, okay, so I just come back here and I select words and the word count. So I want to do, let me say I want to do 8 words. So I click on generate Lorem Ipsum, and the tool is going to generate 8 Lorem Ipsum words for me. So that's how amazing this Lorem Ipsum generator tool on FreeTools works. So if you're a web developer or a content creator and you're looking for a fast and efficient way to generate random text just to fill up the website that you're building, and you can just simply use this tool here. It's free of charge and it works super fast. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. We've come to the end of it. And also, before I forget, I got a free gift for you. So if you're a football fan and you love watching football games and you're looking for an enabling platform, an online community where you can interact and connect with soccer fans, sports fans from other parts of the world, I'd like you to check out this platform. It's called Live Gold at Us. So Live Gold is an online community for sports fans to come together, connect, relate, and share friendly banter. So if you're a sports fan and you love interacting with sports fans from other parts of the world, this is where you should be. So the platform has a multi-forum platform. It has soccer, and underneath soccer, it has a forum for the Premier League, La Liga, the Bundesliga, the League One, Serie A forum, and also has for the European Football, Champions League, Europa League, Conference League, and World Football. Then it has a basketball forum, it has a cricket forum, it has track and field, it has rugby, it has hockey and combat sports, of course, and also tennis. Okay, and it also has a chat room where you can join other sports fans and chat about, discuss about your favorite games or the trending happenings in the world of sports. So, guys, if you're a sports fan, I'd like you to check this out. So, going back to what brought us here, we've come to the end of it. I'm going to say a big thank you to you for sticking to the end and watching my content. And don't forget, sharing is caring and caring is sharing. So just remember to share this video across your social media platforms. I'll be signing out here. Thank you for watching and keep your eyes to the ground for the next video. Bye-bye.